paper presented by Kelvin Wave Private Limited. We are proud to introduce you our design KW5.78 to 60 RB unmanned smart rescue boat participate in NAMIC Global Maritime AM Challenge. KW5.78 to 60 RB has a length of 5.78 meters, breadth of 2.2 meters, depth of 0.87 meters. It has a fuel capacity 48 liter to last 4 hours of operation at the speed more than 8 knots. It can carry up to 8 personnel on board. KW5.8-60RB has a unique rescue zone that have a side shell cut out with lower slope to allow a smoothing recovering of personnel at sea without compromise the freeboard design. With the help of the electrical winch to hoist the man overboard safety net, this allow the rescue's operation to be totally remote controlled. Now I pass to Kelvin to share with you more.
Hi everyone, my name is Kelvin Shi. I'm an architect from Kelvin Wave Private Limited. I'm very delighted and honored to receive this award from NAMIC Global Maritime AM Challenge. A special thanks to the organizers and support teams for providing us such a great platform to showcase our innovative design and ideas which can be manufactured by 3D print. A new game changers in boat building industry and driving towards less waste, less cost and time in manufacturing process. It allows naval architects like me to pursue for high precision, better weight controls, and good qualities of boat design. We are looking forward to design and build more boats using additive manufacturing in the near future. Once again, we're grateful to organizers for offering us such a great and inspiring journey. Thank you very much.
Hello everyone, I'm Maxime Pachot, the responsible of the Marine Department at the Sofren Group. At first, we'd like to thank the NAMIC team and Mahindran for organizing the competition and the ceremony. We are very proud as a young company, Sofren Marine, to receive this second prize. It's very, very good news. As a very young company, it's always good to have such a reward to start with. We are glad to explain our design to anyone interested. Among them, the sponsors that might be interested into fabricating a prototype with us in 3D printing. And as such, we wanted to innovate in the search and rescue industry with this 3D printed fully multi-hull. It can be shipped in a 20-feet container. It has the 3 modes of piloting, either classic with a pilot inside, either remotely from another boat or ship, and fully autonomously. We have innovative axes like the butterfly doors, large. We have a net to deploy backwards to receive the people at sea. And the 3D printing was very important for that design, because the propulsion means are fully protected with tunnels now. All the compartments and deck can be fully printed. And we'd like to thank everyone that would be interested in advance to discuss with us this design. Thank you very much, and see you very, very soon.
Well, it's a true honor to have won the first place. It was a very exciting challenge for me, and I did my best to fulfill the requirements. I can only deeply thank you all the NAMIC team and challenge committee members for taking the time to consider my application and appreciate its value. It is the first time that I designed anything linked to marine application, and it was a pleasure to discover this new field of engineering. I hope to see this vessel for real, and I'm sure it will prove to be very useful and save people. In fact, I can already imagine derivatives of this vessel that are fully unmanned, more compact, without crew or pilot seats. It could be a real game changer for rescue vessel designs. Additive manufacturing in marine application will definitely bring more design flexibility, shorter lead times. Most structural parts can be directly manufactured on site with one single machine. It allows a high in-house manufacturing depth. That's a dream for project leaders and engineers. I would like to thank also my family and friends for supporting me through this great competition. Thank you all.